Dad, I was thinking, where do beliefs come from?
I'm glad this is not going to be the "where do babies come from" conversation.
Dad.
Seriously, okay, it's an important question because some people think beliefs appear out of thin air.
But aren't there all sorts of reasons?
That's the key. Reason. Every belief grows from a bed of reasons.
What if people don't know why they believe something?
It doesn't mean the reasons aren't there. It just means you have to dig deep to find them. We're exposed to all kinds of influences, so don't be a sponge. Don't just suck up everything your friends tell you. Think for yourself. When it comes to belief, the best thing to do is pursue a belief that is true.